Hi guys, this is Katja from Katja Home Properties. Welcome to another fantastic day. And today I am in Upper Conchas Chinas, Puerto Vallarta. Upper Conchas Chinas is known as the Beverly Hills of Puerto Vallarta. So here I am in a gated community with only 6 homes, and I am about to show you this incredible property, Casa de Las Ventanas. So make sure you join me on my tour today, because this Mexican style of super charming villa is something to die for. Come with me. So, as I start my tour, let me just point out that we have a little covered garage space and an extra storage on the left side that is known for its beautiful ocean view. So if you haven't seen any storage place with ocean views, this is one of that. I'm gonna come back to it later on. But first, I cannot wait to show you this beautiful place. It is a little bit of a labyrinth, I have to be honest with you, because I am at the main entrance area. And here we have a living room, kitchen space with a huge balcony. And on the upper floor, we have a super cool, like a party place and an open kitchen. What you have to see, because it has an insane ocean view. So let's start from here. The bedrooms are one on one little side below and 2 other bedrooms on the ground floor, and the master is there as well. So here we have a huge space for dining, coming together when you don't want to be outside. But I swear you are going to be willing to stay in the garden at the pool area or upstairs, which I'm going to show you now. So look at this Palapa and open come together area. This is the coolest. Look at this bed. Not much more I really wanted to do on a Friday afternoon, just take a nap here with a glass of wine. So we have this spot, and I just want to point out the view. Ocean, yeah, we are getting used to it. It is beautiful, but the jungle in a couple of weeks is going to become super green. We are just weeks away from the rainy season, guys, and trust me, it's not bad now, but when it becomes like super green, it's just insane. The quietness, the everything you have here, within 15 minutes you can be like in Mismaloya, in 7 minutes down to the Zona Romantica, which is the busiest spot. You are basically steps away from the beach, and you're still in a very quiet neighborhood. And again, this is, guys, a gated community with only a couple of villas in it. So it's a rare find. Let's keep going. The house is completely remodeled. About a year and a half ago, they put it into pieces and they remodeled the home. Look at this. I call this the party area. I mean, we already have a fridge here, and look at that. Look at the view, Arturo. So you've got plenty of common areas here, party places come together, family. They use it sometimes as a vacation rental, and it rents pretty amazingly as well, okay? So let's keep going. Again, we came in on the bottom, on that floor below me, and now I am going to show you the bedrooms and the pool area. And I think I'm just gonna take this off because it's too loud, so come with me. Second bedroom. Every single bedroom has a balcony overlooking to the jungle and to the ocean. Can you hear the birds? Just visualize yourself waking up to that. Okay? It has a very cool bathroom. Have a peek. Every single spot has its balcony or windows. That's why it's called Casa de las Ventanas. Okay. Let's go from Frida all the way to the master. Come on and check this out. This is pretty cool. So basically, you have here a master bedroom and a bathroom with a bathtub. Every single bathroom has a bathtub. I want to point this out. So it's pretty cool. It's all together. Very Mexican. And from here, all this can be yours. Have a look at the little barbecue kitchen part with these Mexican tiles. And as I'm walking here and you want to have a look at the tiles of the pool, you can see that everything is new. And you basically have a little, sitting area here for your cocktails. And this is probably the coolest room you will see. Come with me. Look at this. We can say that they respected the nature when they built this home. And it is pretty cool. Come on and have a look in the bathroom. Okay, here we have a huge laundry space and the maid's quarter with its full bath. It's not counted, so this would be the 4th bedroom if we counted it as a bedroom. Okay, again, chicos, we have 4,600 square meter here. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a maid's quarter with its bathroom. And this is currently on the market for $1.6 million. Beverly Hills, Conchas Chinas, Puerto Vallarta. Give me a call. I would love to show it to you. Thanks for watching. Have a super day. Ciao.